Smart money or super investors, guru investors, or whatever you want to call them, are some of the best and most respected investors in the world. They may have different strategies, different views on diversification, value, growth, dividends, and so on. But what makes them the best of the best are great results over a long period of time. So if we want to learn, if we want to steal ideas for investments, then it is probably better to steal from the likes of Warren and Charlie than the likes of George and Jerry.
This is incredible. I'm getting it.
You're getting what?
A stock.
What stock?
It's called Sendrax. They got some new kind of technique for televising opera.
Televising opera?
Some sort of electronic thingy.
Well, how much are you going to invest?
5,000. 10,000. 5,000.
So let's see what are the 10 most bought stocks in the first quarter of 2023 by super investors. And we are going to also check, are any of those stocks still at a similar price? Because that may indicate a possible investment opportunity. And before we begin, let's play a little game. Write down in the comments what do you think is the most bought stock in the last quarter. I wonder how many of you will guess correctly. Okay, you wrote it down? Yes? No? Yes? Okay, let's go. At number 10 we have Bank of America Corporation. It is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company. It is the second largest banking institution in the United States after JP Morgan Chase. We have 5 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company, including people like Li Lu, David Katz, and Warren Buffett. The price at its lowest point was $26.97. At the highest at $36.77 with an average of $31.87. And the current price is $27.36. So it is almost exactly the same as the lowest price in Q1 2023. Next up at number 9 is GE Healthcare Technologies Incorporated. GE Healthcare is an American multinational medical technology company, and it was spun off from General Electric on January 4th, 2023, with GE retaining 20% of the company. We have 5 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. The price at its lowest point was at the IPO at $56. And at the highest at $82.14 with an average of $69.07. And the current price is $77.78. So a bit lower than the highest price in Q1, but also substantially higher than the average and low price. And number 8 is Capital One Financial. It is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts, with operations primarily in the United States. We have 5 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company, and they are Thomas Geithner, Clifford Sossin, Bill Miller, Michael Berry, and Warren Buffett. Not a bad collection of names. The price at its lowest point was at $89.91 and at the highest at $121.82 with an average of $105.87. And the current price is $91.31. So just as with Bank of America, we are currently very close to the lowest price point in the last quarter. And also a number of very well-known investors are buying at those prices. And at number 7, we have PayPal Holdings Incorporated. It is of course a company operating an online payment system in majority of countries that support online money transfers. We have 6 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. The price at its lowest point was at $72.56 and at the highest at $86.96 with an average of $79.76. And the current price is $60.80. So all of the prices from the last quarter are higher than the current price. So it is definitely worth taking a closer look at this stock. And at number 6 we have Salesforce. It is an American cloud-based software company. It provides customer relationship management software and applications focused on sales, customer service, and e-commerce. We have 6 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of Salesforce. The lowest price was $134.78 and the highest was $199.78 with an average of $167.28. And the current price is $204.80, so a bit higher than the highest price in the last quarter. Okay, and at number 5 is Intuit Incorporated. It is an American business software company that specializes in financial software. We have 7 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. The price at its lowest point was at $375 and at the highest at $452 with an average of $413. And the current price is at $421. So it is higher than the average, but at the same time quite substantially lower than the high price in Q1 2023. And at number 4 we have Meta Platforms. And as we all know, this is the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, among other products and services. We have 9 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. And to name just some of them, we have Robert Vinal, David Tupper, David Katz, and Terry Smith. The price at its lowest point was at $124 and at the highest at $211 with an average of $168. And the current price is at $238, so way higher than the highest price in the last quarter. I made a video analyzing Meta recently with a title, "Is it too late to buy Meta?" So now you know why. And at number 3 we have Microsoft Corporation. It is yet another company that we all know. They are the creators of Windows, Microsoft Office, Xbox, and much more. We have 9 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. The price at its lowest point was at $222 and at the highest at $288 with an average of $255. And the current price is $312, so unfortunately it is much higher than the highest price in the last quarter. Okay, and at number 2 is Amazon. We all know Amazon. It is of course the company focused on e-commerce, cloud computing, online advertising, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. We have 13 super investors in the last quarter that bought the shares of this company. The price at its lowest point was at $83 and at the highest at $112 with an average of $98. And the current price is $113.80. So in case of Amazon, the current price is actually higher than the highest price in Q1 2023. Not by much, but still higher. And at number 1 is Alphabet. So, did you get it right? I'm going to check in the comments because I'm really curious how easy was it for you. And Alphabet is of course the parent company of Google. We have 13 super investors in the last quarter that bought Class A shares and 12 investors that bought Class C shares of Alphabet. The price at its lowest point was $86 and at the highest at $107 with an average of $96.97. And the current price is around $120. So way higher than the highest price in the last quarter. But is it still an interesting investment opportunity even at this price? Well, you can find out by clicking here and watching my analysis of Alphabet. Thanks for watching, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next one.